Hello, and welcome back. You're listening to Zero Stress English. I'm Sophia, and I'm here with Mark. Today we're talking about real English people use at work, not textbook sentences, not perfect grammar, just the kind of English you actually hear and actually need in real work situations.
Hey everyone, I'm Mark. And if you've ever studied English, felt confident at home, and then arrived at work thinking, wait, why does nobody talk like my book? You're not alone.
Before we start, take a breath. You don't need to repeat anything. You don't need to memorize. Just listen and let your brain get familiar with how English sounds at work.
And if this is your first time here, welcome. This podcast is designed to help you feel calm, capable, and confident using English in real life.
Let's start with something very important. At work, people don't speak perfectly. They speak quickly. They shorten sentences. They skip words.
Exactly. For example, textbooks often teach, "Good morning, how are you today?" But at work, people usually say, "Hey, how's it going?"
Or even simpler, hey, morning. That's it. And that's completely normal.
Let's imagine a real moment. You walk into the office. You see a coworker. You say, "Hey, how's your morning?"
And the answer is usually short. Good. Busy. Not bad.
Not bad is everywhere at work. It usually means, "I'm okay."
Now let's talk about tasks and responsibilities. Textbooks often teach, I will complete this task later today.
But real work English sounds like this. "I'll do it later." "I'm on it." "I'll take care of it."
I'm on it is very powerful. It means, I understand. I'm working on this. You don't need to worry.
Short sentences like these build trust. Not perfect grammar, but clarity.
Let's move to problems. Problems happen every day at work.
Textbooks say, "There seems to be an issue with this document."
Real work English says, there's a problem here. This isn't working. Something's wrong.
Simple, direct, and clear.
Now, let's talk about something very important, not understanding. This happens to everyone, even native speakers.
At work, you don't need fancy phrases. You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
Or, I'm not sure I understand. Can you explain that again?
Saying this is not a weakness. It shows professionalism.
People prefer clarity over silence. Let's talk about meetings now. Meetings sound very formal in books. In real life, they're much simpler.
You hear phrases like, "Let's start." "Any updates?" "Sounds good." "That works for me."
That works for me is very common. It means I agree.
And when meetings are confusing, which happens often, you can say, "So, what's the next step?"
That one sentence can save you. Clear, polite, professional.
Let's slow down. Listen again. "I'm on it." "That works for me." "There's a problem." "Can you repeat that?"
Notice something. No long sentences, no complicated grammar, just meaning.
And the more you hear English like this, the easier it becomes to use it.
Confidence doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from understanding enough and speaking anyway.
If you learned even one phrase you can use tomorrow, that's progress.
Real progress. The kind that helps you survive and grow at work.
Stay with us. Listen again. Let this kind of English become familiar.
This is Zero Stress English. And yes, you can sound natural and confident at work.